Hey guys, welcome to that video. I hope you're doing well. So today we are doing a little game. It's gonna be the kiss, marry, or kill. And the theme of today's video is gonna be social media. So I only have three options. So obviously I'm not gonna, do all of the social media in the world, but maybe I will do other videos. So please let me know in the comment section if you want me to actually do it with other platforms or I don't know, social medias out there. So today we're gonna start with the most popular social media. So it's going to be YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Before starting, I want to be clear on the fact that I don't think that there is only one platform out there that is like the best of the best. No, I'm lying. There is one platform that I do prefer, and I'm gonna explain why. But I think that it all goes down to your marketing strategy and what you want to use and what is the most beneficial to your sales funnel and to create connection with your community or with your clients. Okay, so let's start. I think that if I have to choose who I'm gonna kill as a platform between those three, I'm gonna kill Instagram. Yes, I said it, Instagram. Instagram is trying too hard over here. I think that Instagram have lost a lot of, point for me, particularly since TikTok arrived. And sometimes they're announcing things and not everybody, have access to it. So it's kind of tiring, that feeling of always have to keeping up with a platform. I love adventure, but it's too much. There is so many things that are not okay with Instagram. They have bugs and glitches. They have every problems in the world. Instagram is just problem on top of problem of top of problem. And there is something that I hate about, this platform in particular. It's on all platforms, but it's the algorithm of Instagram. I think the algorithm of Instagram is one of the worst out there, if I have to be honest. And I'm saying this, but ultimately Instagram is still a platform, that I cherish. I love the fact that Instagram is challenging us to create more and to be more on the platform and to actually have more quality content over there. But that overall aesthetic focus on Instagram, the fact that right now literally every reel looks like a production, and I feel like this is something that makes Instagram lose a lot of their users. It feels like it's not real. It's too perfect. It's too curated. I love the fact that you are able to connect with people on a more relatable and real level on the stories. That's something that I really enjoy about Instagram, and I hope that stories will never go away. The fact that we are having access to DMs and literally have kind of an intimate section to talk to people. Don't get there. It's not what I was trying to say, but a section where you can talk to people and really connect and grow a relationship one-on-one when it comes to business. When you're sliding on the reel section, it's the same music, the same reels, the same everybody start to look the same, and it's not even fun anymore. Now, when it comes to business, I think that Instagram is still a very interesting platform to use. This is one of the platforms, if it's not the main platform, that is bringing me the majority of my clients out there. So I still love that. Now, Instagram still feels like the struggle love. It's that platform where you have to fight too damn hard to try to have some result. We need to be gentle with Instagram. Instagram is in the middle of a crisis right now, identity crisis. They're trying to find themselves. They've seen TikTok coming and they're shaking over there. So they're trying to catch up. They're trying to do everything. And it almost feels like they don't know what to do anymore. So they're just trying to do everything, and it's becoming a little bit too much. But I still love Instagram. So let me know what you think about that. That is my kill. Okay, now let's go over the marry. I'm going to marry YouTube. Okay? YouTube is a keeper. YouTube is that faithful and loyal person that you're going to pour a lot into that relationship, and with time is gonna give you back a lot. This is who YouTube is, and this is why I'm gonna marry YouTube. This is exactly why I'm trying to be back on YouTube, trying to be consistent. I love the fact that you can pour a lot of energy, you can pour a lot of creativity, knowledge, and then it will still push your videos even 10 years later, 6 years later, 20 years later, to people to see the value and the content. there is not a lot that I can say that is negative about YouTube, other the fact that, okay, that's my opinion. I think that YouTube requires also a lot of work. I mean, each platforms, but YouTube for me is a pain in the ass when it comes to editing, because I do have to run a business, so I don't have the time, but I love editing. I wish I had more time to edit. And yes, I can delegate. I've done it in the past. I didn't have, a good experience here, but I still want to be able to create. Like the creativity part, I enjoy it, but it takes so much time. Also, there is that one thing that I wish that YouTube will work on. It's maybe giving us the possibility to actually have a direct message section like Instagram. I love the fact that I can build connection with people. They can send me reaction to stories or to videos and stuff. And I feel like YouTube is very simple. It's like a like or a comment. Can we react? Can we put some heart? Can we that will be super great, and that will help to build deeper connection with people, even though you can still be doing great converting with the platform by doing videos, but that will be insane if YouTube can do that. So literally, YouTube, put a ring on it, is my keeper. So now you have understand that the last platform is Facebook. So I'm gonna actually kiss Facebook. I should have killed Facebook if I have to be honest, because Facebook to me is giving me like old auntie grandma type of vibe. I don't like Facebook. I don't like the dashboard of Facebook. There's too many options. Facebook accounts, groups, pages, I don't understand nothing. Like marketplace, Facebook watch. This is the problem that I have with Facebook, but I'm still gonna kiss it because I know that Facebook is a great platform for some businesses, and I love the groups with Facebooks. When I launched my program, I was able to find my beta testers and to connect with people all around the world because of a Facebook group, and that's amazing. I don't feel like Facebook is one of those platforms that is trying to make improvement with time just because it feels like they're arrived. They were the first ones. They have enough people, using their platforms. They're literally, I'm pretty sure, making more money than every other platforms because of Facebook ads. Even though I'm not really using Facebook like that, I'm gonna kiss Facebook, kill Instagram, and marry YouTube. This is what I'm gonna do. So that's why, guys, I'm actually back on YouTube. I feel like YouTube is one of the best platforms for so many reasons, like connection, SEOs. I also feel like YouTube is that platform that it doesn't even matter if you disappear, people will still be faithful to you, like your community, people who follow you. They are going to leave messages, be like, oh, it's been a moment you didn't post a video on YouTube, It doesn't happen to Facebook or TikTok or Instagram because we're literally scrolling and seeing a bunch of people that we're not really having a connection. So that's why I really am going with YouTube. For me, YouTube is the best of the best. It's the one that some people overlooked. I did overlook it, and I'm sorry, YouTube. Okay, let's get back together. But yeah, that will be my kiss, marry, and kill, and that is my reason. Let me know in the comment section what is your kiss, marry, and kill when it comes to those 3 platforms and why. If you have other ideas, let me know which platforms or softwares or social media that I can, do the kiss, marry, and kill video with. Before you're leaving, please leave a like if you have liked that video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any video that I upload. And before you leave, watch that video over here. Go, click over here.